Want to turn casual WhatsApp contacts into loyal customers from the very first message? Then learn how to set up automatic greeting messages on Aisensy and boost your customer engagement. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the automation section, usually found on the left-hand side menu. Click on automation to access the workflow settings. Now, click on the plus create flow button to start a new automated workflow. This is where you'll design your greeting message automation. Give your flow a descriptive name, like welcome message, so you can easily identify it later. Then click create. Next, define the trigger. Select incoming message as the trigger, meaning the flow will start when someone sends you a message for the first time. Now, add an action. Choose send WhatsApp message. In the message text box, craft a warm and inviting greeting message. For example, hi there. Welcome to your company name. We're happy to connect with you. How can we help you today? Once you're happy with your message, click the save button to save your flow. Finally, activate the flow by toggling the activate switch to the on position. And that's it. Now, whenever someone sends you a message for the first time, Aisensy will automatically send your personalized greeting message, instantly engaging new contacts and setting the stage for a great customer experience.